Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Sharma, offensive defensive security expert, and right now we are over here. So in this particular video we are going to learn that what all the number of tools that we have added in our Hackysecurity platform. So right now, once we are directly going into our website, as you can see, the website is over here, and in that particular website I have try free labs, try free setups and other things. So from learning and defending the cybersecurity journey, we have added these tools over here. Now suppose why these tools are important. Try to understand. There are a lot many people into the cybersecurity. There are a lot many people who are doing the VAPT, researches, forensics, lot many of a job role, right? So what they want is that they can find these information as fast they can do and also print those information. So how you can do it? You can just directly see here. So I'm going into my free labs. So I can see recon, analyze and report. So let's take a quick example. If we have to do any kind of a penetration testing report or a vulnerability analysis report, so I just need to check what kind of a DNS information I can get, what are the different whois information that I can get, IP geolocation. Let's take a quick example about DNS dumpster. So if I do a hackysecurity.com, this is one of a website, and if I do and check on the run a lookup, I will be able to get lot many information. As you can see, Hacky Security is there. We have a host name, we have a values, we have some related of values, which is IPv6 over here. Some mail informations are there, SMTP information. Oh, mailbox is also there, very nice. Some of your NS1, NS2 is there, which is your name servers. That is also there. Some value data is there. Now, my manager asked me to print out these information, so I can just directly click onto the print information, and then here you go. So we have all the printed informations over here, and then I can print it as a save as a PDF, and it is totally free tool, guys, right? So we have around 10 tools over here. You can also work on them and let us know the feedback, and then we can work on it in the chat columns, right? Like your whois, like your mail headers analyzer, DNS dumpster, breach checkbox as well. Now, this is the first thing that what we majorly have as a free lab. Now, if you go back to our website, we have a free CTF as well. So free CTF, I will be showing you in a next video. Thank you so much.